Welcome back everyone. So now we're going to work on our single title view. Now I'm just thinking I might delete this and I will duplicate the overview page again just because we have our logo in it. So we'll just duplicate it and rename it again. Single title view. Okay, so what we can do here is just resize our charts. We're going to keep the countries available one, and top 10 genres I will delete. Yeah, we can change these just to be cards, which will show like the release year and the rating of the movie that we're displaying. So if we just click on any visual here, and you'll see here the option for a card, we'll just change it to a card. So it's actually going to show a count of show ID now, but we don't want to see that. We want to see the rating. So if we just click our rating here, yeah, it's going to show first rating, but we'll just keep it at that for now. And we'll make this a bit smaller. And we'll make our map bigger. So let's just change the font color of our rating. So we'll just click into this card here and format visual. So category label, we can change the color to be red. And also the callout value. And from here, I'm just going to create a copy. Control and C, then Control and V, and move it over to the left. And I'm just going to change this to be release year. So I'll remove the first rating and bring in release year. So it's going to sum it, but this will change whenever we add our slicer, which will be our filter. So to add our slicer, again, we'll just copy and paste one of our cards, and we can make it a bit bigger. And we'll change it to a slicer. So it's currently a card, but we'll just to the left here and below you'll see slicer. So we'll just click on this and it's going to change it to a date filter for release year. So I'll remove this, and for the field we can just change this to be the title. So if we just tick title, it automatically gives us a list, but we'll change it then as well in the format visual. And slicer settings, you can just change it to be a drop down. So we just need to change the format, the font of our title as well. So under values, we can see the font color here. We can make it red or white, whatever you prefer. I'll keep it this red for now, but maybe we'll make it a bit bigger. 26. Okay, it's quite big. I will go a bit smaller, maybe 18 for now. We could change the background color of values as well, because it currently shows up as white. So if we just get the color of our shape under style, it's 333 333 if you remember. So if we click into our slicer, we can just change the background then of our values to be the same. So I'm going to make it 333 333, and then whenever we click it, the background will be the same. And then our title as well just says shows by rating, so it's actually the same for everything. So we'll change all them, and this will just be our movie TV show filter. And we want to make it single select, because currently you can just select everything. So again, if we just go to our slicer settings, so it's currently drop down, but under selection we can remove multi-select and just make it so that it can only allow you to select one. Unfortunately, we can't type in what we want to view because you need to sign up, and I think you need to have a business email to be able to do that. But this is just for learning purposes. So we could click, you know, there's quite a few to go through here, unfortunately, but if we click something like Apollo 18, then we can see countries available, what the rating was, and what year it was released. Okay, I've also noticed we can still see title here. It's quite dark for me, but we can just remove that by, we could just untick slicer header. So yeah, let's just change the titles of our two cards here. So we'll just click into them, format visual general. This one will be release year, and our second one will be rating. Oh, we already have rating, so we can just leave it like this, and we can leave countries available. Okay, so in the next video we'll add in a description and our cast and director and categories as well. So I'll see you there.